Hello, hi guys, it's me once again. So today it's a Monday and I'm not going to work, guys. You can't imagine the feeling, and I'm ready. I'm just going to the market to get some 1 2 3 things from the market. So yeah. Look at my outfit. Yeah, look at my outfit. Look at the chick. Boom, boom. Yeah. Boom. Let's do some lip liner. And I'm just going to the shop. And you ask me, why are you doing this? You just go to the shop. Must you do your lip liner? Yeah. Why? Because I feel like it's not a lip liner actually. It's crazy. Let me turn it. No, let's not turn it. There. Yep. I look. Okay. Outfit. So should I take you to the neighborhood? Yep, let's go to the shop. Shop. Check my shoes. How will I carry the keys? Okay, I'll put my car keys. I didn't even close the door. Oh, of course I closed it. Oh, what am I doing? Am I closing? Am I opening? Oh, that's what I'm supposed to. Okay. Sasa mnaenda wapi? I don't have anything. Where do you think you're going? Holy shit. Are they really following me? Go back. We are here. Just like Aisha Speed would have said. Yeah, I'm here. I already got my mini shopping. Let's go back. I show you what I got for myself. See you there. Maybe here. Let's use the stairs. Sit in. Yeah, so I met this car insect. I don't know what it is. What is it doing here? My door, whatever, is very dirty. Nimekanyaga matu. I stepped on a lot of mud. Okay. Just gonna take this to where they belong. Yo. Am I meeting one pair of slippers? The stairs were tiring. They were tiring. Oopsies. There we go. I love this window when it's open. Because when it's open, it looks gorgeous. Look at that. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm tired a bit. but a lot of vitu havijaoshwa. Very untidy. This is for my hair. But because it's still there, oh, by the way, let me show you. I bought these. Another place where I can put my salt. Like, see, it's a salt jar, or sugar, whatever. See, it's so cool. It's so pretty. So instead of putting salt in this jar, we are now upgrading. We are putting it in this jar. I think the lighting is so low. No. There. Yeah, better, I guess. No. So tufungue. We upgrade immediately. Ooh. Mambo ya kurecord. That's why I was recording. That's why I was recording. I think it's cute. It's pretty. It's so cute. It's so cute. I have another one for sugar. But take hiyo baadaye. Then this one later. I don't know. Nitajipanga tu. So tuoshe vyombo kwanza. Oh, hii ya nywele. I know where to put it. These are rosemary leaves. If they will ever work on my hair, I will show you the progress. But if they don't, I've been spraying it on my hair. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. What I bought, imepasuka. So the eggs I bought, sijui nitaweka wapi. Kuna venye zimepasuka. They are broken. I would sikununua like a whole crate. Let's see. This one is okay. There is one in a crash complete. I think ni one. This one is also okay. This one has crashed completely. Okay, let me remove the ones that have not crashed. This is also okay. 3 of the eggs are okay. So, and I bought only this one did crash. So that one na inakaa kuna nini? Why does it look that way? Let's bring some funny smellings here. This is also okay. And also this one, but why are they dirty? The first one is so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I bought 6 bags. Not 9. Okay, 6 times 15. 15, 6 times 5, 45. Carry 1, 6. 789. Yeah, 95. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna cook this in pasuka, and I'll pasua this also. Let me put it somewhere very witness. You can see what I'm doing. Sit here. So when you pasuka ndo hapa. We pasua these two. We pasua these two. Oh, no, no, no. Hey, mimi napenda copyright kwa video zangu. Okay. Uncle the moon. Nilikuwa mbaki hapa. There. Tufanye hivi. Should I just cook the eggs? We cook the eggs like on their own. I mean, what do I do, baby? Niko na bread, so I'm torn between making a toast bread. Oh, niko na nyanya na kitunguu, so I might just cut out the nyanya kitunguu. Niunde hiyo that whatever. So we need an omelette. Yep, let's make an omelette. So we have decided to make an omelette. I think I feel weird with this. I'm not empty standings. What standards? Delicious powders. Acha tujaribu ile kukata ya wale wadau. Yeah. I think the knife should be sharp. Are these really vitunguu vya kumake omelette? I think it's so many. It's a little bit. Yep. Tumemaliza vitu. Tuvikate vidogo zaidi. Zaidi ya yote. Because ni vya omelette. So hivi vyote tunaviweka wapi? Ndani. I'm telling you, these are so many onions. These are so many onions. Okay, you can't even believe the onions are even more than the eggs. Or let's do another egg so that is squeeze. Yeah, that way. That's one. Nyanya nayo ni moja tu pia. Nishaosha. I already washed it, so do not worry. We even have oil, cooking oil. Just take it. Tuweke ndani. Tuweke ndani. Tuweke ndani. Yote. Let's wash. Haya. So ndio hii hapa. The eggs. Bado nahitaji kuzidi. I think that's okay. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I hope it tastes gorgeous too. So time to go take it to the pan. Do I have like mafuta pan iko wapi? Hey, sijaosha. You know, I said I'll wash utensils after I've cooked. Nimekula and then I washed all of them once. But now I think the pan is ready. Just a little bit of oil. Why am I using a little oil? Haya, tumwage hii ndani. I don't know if it's gonna be the way I want it to be. I don't know. I got this and I got this. So I'm taking yogurt, bread, and eggs. So wapi ndio mbele wapi ndio. I'm thinking I put this bread thing hapa kwa my eye. I don't know. Is it gonna make sense? Is it? The phone fell down. So tuchukue hii. Okay, I don't know if it is able to turn. Acha nionyeshe wangu. I was thinking niekele bread hapo. And then I turn it. What in the world is going on? Is it ever going to turn? This is a disaster. What? Okay. Okay, I know what to do. It's not a must I turn it. I wish I had that cutting scoop. Yeah, there. Next one, gonna try. Oops, there. I think I'm just doing my own things here. At this point, I should just stop. Yeah. To see me to gas. Because what I'm doing here there. Okay. Try another one here. Hello. There. I think it looks good. Bingo. Just because I didn't find a better brand. Tukulie kwa plastic. Long gone are the days when we used to drink from plastic. So I'll just put this here. Sasa tuone. Yay! Boom. My yoga. Huh? This is my breakfast. Stroke lunch. Clock it. Tutakunywa tukisikia njaa tena. Okay. With a spoon. And there we go. Boo. I'm ready to eat. Welcome. I still wish I had de la Mer yogurt. This, whatever. Which brand? Oh, hold on. This will keep me full. So, if you want a movie suggestion, I have one. That is so good. This movie is so good. It's called My Daughter's Father. My Daughter's Father. It is good. I've been watching it I watched it almost the whole night until around midnight. Nikasema, oh, my sleep is better than the movies. Kasema, I'll continue with it today. So yeah, so that's what we are watching today as we eat. So yep, turn the Netflix. I mean, eat as I wait. This one, yeah, continue watching My Daughter's Father. Niko season 1 episode 10. So I'll continue watching, but for you guys, bye bye for now. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.